Hello Pisces, this is your channel messages for the 20th of May. Pisces, I have a channel message for you, Pisces. Okay, so we're getting the well, first of all, yesterday I heard you talking shit about my index finger. What about it? Because as you see, it is not like this index finger. For why? Because when I used to do martial arts, when I was like 14, 15, it got broke or fractured. I don't know what the fuck you want to call it. Which therefore means I could not be allotted into the military, especially without my permission, when I already have a fractured bone. Now, if the military want to overlook that and then enroll me into their cooperation, that is good, even though you cannot have fractured bones or your dental records cannot be tampered with when you join the military. For some reason, you keep getting me fucking involved in this. Okay? So I'm just saying, either something was overlooked and your application was approved, or your application could not be approved because certain requirements you did not meet. So I don't know who the fuck has you in this shit. But all the fuck you wanting to do is come to earth and mingle with the fucking commoners. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Okay, so Pisces, you're getting 666. Now they say that 666 is the mark of the beast, okay? Now 3 6s is 18. 1 and 8 is 9. Perhaps you had something upside down. You see, that's how you get tricked, Pisces. 666 is the mark of the beast, is the Antichrist. Now 3 6s is 18. 3 1s 3, 3 2 6, 3 3s 9, 3 4s 12, 3 5s 15, 3 6s 18. According to numerology, 1 and 8 is 9. Isn't that a 6 upside down? So I'm getting something upside down, or something was supposed to be upside down. All right. No, I'm also getting 666. I'm getting the all mocking tongue. Remember Jim Carrey came on the, I don't remember which show it came on, talking about the all mocking tongue. All right. No, if you say pictures or videos or these things of people who stick out them tongue, right? Whether you're the person to take pictures with sticking out your tongue, maybe there was a video of you and your tongue was out. You refer to this as the all mocking tongue. Now, this sign represents a serpent's tongue. If there's, I'm not saying everybody, but I'm saying when the elites or when people who are underground see this picture, this is what them think, okay? This is a simulation you're put in. I'm getting the all mocking tongue. When you stick out your tongue, me getting something about you stick out your tongue and you mocked somebody, or you took a picture with your tongue out for mock somebody, for be like, ha ha, me getting your life a mash up. Me getting you get hazing, you get bullying, me getting treated like trash, me getting all type of shit to happen to you. Yeah, you enter the blood clot beast's lair. The sign represents the serpent's tongue. And it's a sign of defiance, social rebellion, and open deviant sexuality. So something about lesbianism, something about deviant sexual pleasures, or again, something about defiance. Now, the defiance could be the same argument that we had about Lilith, where Lilith was Adam's first wife, but she wanted to be on top riding him. And he was like, no, sweetie, I am Adam. I am the A. You are Lilith. You are the L. Therefore, you should go on the bottom and I go on the top. And Lilith did not want to. Lilith never want Adam dominate her all the time. And apparently, she was not submissive, especially in the bedroom. So they got rid of her, Lilith, cast her out to the Garden of Eden. And they got Eve, which eventually fucked up humanity. So you see, you were too busy that a girl was not submissive enough for you, and you were too busy because the girl wanted to ride you like a blood clot pony. But you see, you wanted to be on top. And you translate that into the girl being defiant. You said, you know what, this bitch won't let me be some dub with her in the fucking bedroom. Might as well we kick her the fuck out. And let's get another bitch who is submissive. Gotcha, bitch. The bitch fuck up humanity. So you're rather a submissive bitch who is unloyal, or a very defiant and a very ruling bitch who will never cheat on you. What the fuck you want? Because the last bitch you got rid of, like, she She stayed loyal to fucking Lucifer. She never fucked on Lucifer. Eve fucked on Adam. Because if a girl, you see, when a girl has submission for her husband, she is told to be submissive to other men. She not gonna be unless she's a defiant woman, she will only be submissive to the one she love, and everybody else can fuck off. When she's submissive, she's submissive to all men. So you have a submissive whore instead of a rebellious loyalty, instead of a rebellious loyal one. Rihanna has yet to fuck on anybody. Throw it up. Watch out, throw it up. Rihanna has yet to fuck on A$AP Rocky. With all that so-called devious dressing and looks and songs and everything, okay? But also, so with that being said, with a defiant tongue, we're going to read a scripture from Isaiah 57 verse 4. It says, "But you, children of a witch, come here, sons of a slut." Is kids reading this? Is kids reading this? Like you have kids reading the Bible? This is what's in the Bible? Okay. Let's bring it back because we interfered with the word of the God. Okay. "But you, children of a witch, come here, sons of a slut, daughters of a whore. What business do you have taunting, sneering, and sticking out your tongue?" Again. Do you have any idea what wretches you've turned out to be? A race of rebels, a generation of liars. You satisfy your lust with any place you find some shade to fornicate and whim. You kill your children at any covenant spot. You mean the same fucking way how God did kill Jesus Christ on the covenant spot, which was the fucking cross? And meanwhile, you're calling my mom, you're calling me the daughter of a whore? Mary don't know who the fuck her baby daddy is. So what the fuck? Anyways, continuing the reading. It says, "You take stones from the creek and set up your sex and religion shrines. You've chosen your fate. Your worship will be doomed. You've climbed a high mountain to practice your foul sex and death religion." I'm getting something about having sex up in the mountains. Or you're having sex outside up in the mountains. Right? Behind closed doors, you assemble your precious god and goddesses, deserting me. You've gone all out, stripped down and made your bed your place of worship, right? Okay, so it goes back to the same tying in with the Bible, Isaiah 57 verse 4, with the so-called 666 mark of the beast, all the tongue, the all-mocking tongue, okay? So if you're a person, you love stick out your tongue, you love take pictures with tongue, or you love to mock people and stick out your tongue with. In Jamaica, we have a practice of we sticking out our tongue. We stick out with tongue when we get what we want. We'll be like, what? That is when the tongue gets stick out in Jamaica practice. You get something you wanted, your tongue go out. You hear something you knew was right, your tongue go out. But in the Freemason world, it is known as the target for deviant sexual pleasures, right? Which mean lesbianism and having sex with like bisexual men, transgender men, and talks about social rebellion. Even Albert Einstein had a picture. Even Ed Sheeran, you remember Ed Sheeran? "I'm gonna pick up the pieces and build a Lego house. If things go wrong, we can knock it down," right? And him had Harry Potter best friend in the fucking music video, Ron Weasley. His name is not Ron Weasley. And Ron Weasley, a lot of people thought Ron was the one who was singing, and it was really Ed Sheeran. "I'm out of touch, I'm out of love. I'll pick you up when you're getting down. And after all these things I've done, I think I love you better now." Rupert Grint. "I'm out of sight, I'm out of mind. I'll do it all for you in time. And after all these things I've done, I think I love you better now." Even Ed Sheeran had a picture of himself on the wall with his tongue out. I think there was a sticker on his tongue. All right? So, Yeah. Me getting that significant to you, Pisces. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. I'm out of sight. I'm out of mind. I'll do it all for you in time. And after all these things I've done, I think I love you better now. Now, let's go, Pisces. We have the Four of Cups coming on first. So you're saying no, you don't want it. Maybe you have realized that you're in too deep, or you're in too far in something. Maybe you did something. You threw up a 666. You cover half of your face. You stick out your tongue. Me getting know your life a mash up. I know you want to come back from it. We have the 6. Yeah, see? Me getting you get bullying. You get hazing. Me getting you start being reclusive. You not go out no more. You probably even say to yourself you want to stop work. Me getting whoever, whether it's the real elites or fake elites, me getting that's why I get hazing. Did you take a picture? Did you stick your tongue out at somebody? Cause me getting no, you don't want to leave your house, you don't want to go nowhere. Everywhere you go, there's always me getting people that bully you, or you go through hazing. Or you're being treated as a fucking whore. Something like that, Pisces. Yeah, see? The 9 of... Yeah, me getting you don't want to leave your house. Everywhere you go, them a bully you. Maybe you were trying to bully somebody and you stick your tongue out at them for bully them. Like, ha, 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 ha. You try to mock somebody. Me getting your life a blood clot mash up now. Your life is mashed up. We have the King of Cups, and we also have the Page of Cups. I'm getting something about a Sagittarius, Leo, Aries man. I'm not sure if you're trying for... I'm getting something about a Leo man. Or Sagittarius or my Aries. I don't know if I him do it to you, if he thought that you were mocking him. Because I'm getting there's a king here. And you feel... I don't know if you did something... I don't know if something was done for him. Or something was done. And him thinking... I don't know, I'm getting something about mockery. Or I'm getting somebody realize what you were doing never had nothing to do with them. I'm getting somebody feel fuck up right now. Maybe them think you were mocking them. Or I'm getting you were entered into the game by mistake. Me getting something that you entered into, you had no fucking clue. You had no clue taking a picture like this. You had no clue. Maybe you stick your tongue out at a mason. Me getting your life a mash up. Even though Doja Cat said, ooh, you write your name, I can do the same. Ooh, I love your taste. La 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 la. All on my tongue, I want it. Ooh, you write your name, I can do the same. Four of Cups is clarified by the Six of Wands. Yeah. We're getting a lot of people on your case. The same people who attack you, the Seven of Wands, those are the same people who stalk you. We're getting a lot of people they felt a way. They felt a blood clot way for what you did. We're getting mockery. We're getting either 666 mockery. Something was upside down. You had somebody upside down, Pisces. Or we're getting, yeah, something about the tongue. The Nine of Swords clarified by the two. Yeah, me getting you never knew what you were doing when you did it. You never knew. You just did it. I don't know if I later tell you to do it. Me getting your life a fucking mash up. You probably stick your tongue out at a mason. Seven of Wands is clarified by the Fool. Okay, well, somebody free now. So me getting you never knew what you did. Okay, you're free. You're good. The bullying going to stop. The harassment going to stop. The being mistaken for a man with a penis or being mistaken for are going to stop. The Fool card, you're free. Did a man tell you to do this? Or me getting somebody take the picture and say, go give one man, and the man felt very, very, very mocked. I don't know why yet. Like, usually when you stick out your tongue, it's like, It's like, aha, I win. Aha, you can't have this. Aha, you're stuck. We're getting somebody free though. King of Wands is clarified by the Page of Cups. We have Page of Cups twice. Something about twins. We also have the Ten of Wands. Well, one of the twins I get. One of the twins them I get. Me getting somebody under pressure. No, I don't know if you're a twin or somebody that act exactly like you. The Page of Cups is twins, but me getting while one of the twins freed and them not get hazing or harassed anymore, the other twin I will go through it. Me getting some has been switched back now. Whatever that is. Yeah, 666. 9 upside down is 6. One of the twins is a 6. One of the twins is a 9. I don't know if you did switch them. I'm getting them switch back. Okay, you see the twin that's a 6. Do not have the kids. You see the twin that's a 9 is covering the fact that them have a son or daughter. That's what happened. Me getting 2 people. I don't know if them are twin. Me getting one is a 9, one is a 6. The 6 is yet to be pregnant, impregnated. You see the 9 is hiding that them already have a kid. So these 2 people are look alike. One of them have a child, one does not. The one that's the 6 the one that's a 6. They must say the one that's a 6 have a baby. It's not the one that's a 6, it's the one upside down. It's the one that's a 9. The 9, which is the head, them are cover the facts that them had a baby. Them are pin the baby upon the 6. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, you just don't. And I don't have time to explain it. We have political agenda. We have curse. Yeah, the 6 and the 9. We're getting something upside down. Or the curse of the tongue. You stick out your tongue. We're getting somebody a freak out. We have Sagittarius. I don't know if a Sagittarius did this. Or the Sagittarius felt like he was the one being mocked. We have Aquarius. And we also have Cancer. Whatever happened to fuck you? Fuck off. Whatever happened to that? I'm getting the stick out your tongue. Bad thing. Now people think you are a deviant sex slave. That is okay with homophobia. I'm sorry. That's okay with lesbian and gay shit. And you might be okay with lesbian and gay shit. You just don't want to take part in it. Apparently, sticking out your tongue never made it better. So, I'm going to leave it here, Pisces. Until next time, bye.